Alrighty.
Okay, here's the buckets.
Do the quick test on her. Yep. 90. And the teardown continues. Rick's working on his freak. Freak! Alrighty, everything's off. We'll go ahead and start pulling the heads. So, well, she looks good. I don't see any. Cylinder looks good. I don't see any big scratches.
Is it? You gotta see if it's polished. A clean piston usually means you're burning water. There's a whole thing on it tells you what to look at. You might be burning water from the inside.
Here we go. So we got everything tore down. Got to order rings and seals and needle bearings.